gotta tell you, it's gone way too far. No, nothing gonna help you when it falls apart. The prophets and the priests told you, but you covered your ears, and now the end is near. Gonna tear it all down. Gonna tear it all down. Burn down in the fire. Let it all go down in flames. Let it all burn down in the fire. Let it all go down in flames. Let it all burn down in the fire. Ooh, let it all burn. Ooh, let it burn. Let it all burn down. Gonna tear it all down. Gonna tear it all down. Gonna tear it all down. Gonna tear it all
Very good, man. My dearest brother, you have trained well as a Kadiwa. You must now go on your next journey and train as a Buklod.
Nice, brother.
Much love, bro.
Ikakasal ka na. Kaya, thank you. Wish you good luck, anak.
Pa, thank you sa lahat ng sa lahat ng suporta.
Bunso, alam ko mag-aasawa ka na. Andito ka pa rin naman sa tabi ko. Mahal na mahal kita. Anak, salamat sa lahat. Suporta saan. I love you, baby.
Thank you. Pinalaki niyo akong maayos. Thank you. Naging inspirasyon ko kayo sa buhay ko. Kaya mag-aasawa man ako, mananatili kayong kasama sa mga pangarap ko. Andito pa rin ako.
Dahil dito'y iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at makikisama sa kanyang asawa. At ang dalawa ay magiging isang laman. Kaya hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isang laman. Ang pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.
Seven years ago, naalala ko pa, nang nagsisimula pa lang tayo, madalas tayong mag-away, as in super dalas. And I never really thought that time that we would end up together. But sabi nga nila, love wins.
I've been away since I can't remember, but it feels the same every late November.
Whoa! Wow! Ang ganda ng box! Feeling ko prank to eh. Whoa!
Bro, it's time.
It's time for me to.
Get married, bro.
Bro, 7 years, bro. Whoa!
Bagay, palit tayo.
I'll give all my time for you. Thank you, ma. Love you.
I hear the memories marching, 'cause of where we are. This is where it started. This is where it started. This is home to me.
Hi, thank you. Hi!
Tingin ko binigay niya to sa akin kasi para maganda na yung pang picture.
Mahal ko ko, nakilala kita sa tamang panahon at tagpo kung saan nagsimula at umusbong ang ating pagmamahal sa kapitbahay.
This is where my heart is. This is where it started. It's where I'm gonna be. This is home to me. This is home to me.
Simula ngayon, magkasama nating malalagpasan ang lahat ng pagsubok sa buhay. Simula ngayon, magkasama tayong sasambaan tutupad ng ating tungkulin. Ikaw at ang bubuin nating pamilya. Kayo ang magiging inspirasyon at pinakampahalagan ko sa mundo ito. I love you so much.
Lagi mong tatandaan, mananatiling ako sa iyong tabi. Aalagaan at mamahalin ka. Stay the same, mahal. Pangako na mananatili akong the best para sa iyo. I love you.